So if you want to make your taskbar in Windows 11 transparent, you want to make it blurry, or you want to make it in a different color, you can do this. And I'm going to show you how with a piece of software that you can download in Windows 11. And the name of it is TranslucentTB. So this is available in GitHub as well as the Microsoft Store. So I'll go to the Microsoft Store. So I'm going to look for the software in the Microsoft Store. So this is the version you're looking for. It's free. I'll click on Get. So it's a small piece of software. It's approximately 2.3 megabytes. So I'm going to click open. So once it's downloaded, you just want to go to search and just type the name. This is the app. Going to click on it. You're going to get this message. I'm going to click continue. So once you install it, the default setting is transparent. So my taskbar here is automatically transparent because of the default settings. So I'm just going to click on the show hidden icons on the right side. And this is the icon here. Click on it. Scroll all the way up to desktop, and right now it's set at clear. So this is clear, which is transparent. So you have all these settings here. Acrylic, that's how it looks. Opaque. So you can also choose a different color just by clicking on accent color. So you have all these different colors that you can choose. So now that you have selected a color, you just have to click the confirm icon. So I'm going to close this. So I'll click back on the app. And if you want to go back to normal, just click on normal. I'll click back on clear. There are also different settings that you can check. You can also edit the settings by code. If you want to uninstall the TranslucentTB app, just right-click the app and click on Install.